Hello students, in previous video we have started lesson number 6, that is insects, and I want to tell you that the question answers of lesson number 5 is uploaded on the website, so you can see the question answers of lesson number 5 from there. And in previous video we have discussed that insects are the largest group of animals on the earth, and there are more than 1,000,000 kinds of insects that are found on the earth. तो अर्थ पे मिलियन से भी ज़्यादा काइंड्स varieties of insects present हैं, and these includes mosquitoes, grasshopper, butterflies, beetles, bees, and so many, and they differ in size, shape, color, and many other features. And the most important thing that we have discussed about insect is that insects do not have bones. Insects की bones नहीं होती है, and they have 3 pairs of legs. उनके 3 pairs of legs, that is 6 legs होती है, and 2 pairs of membranous wings that help them to fly. And we have also discussed one activity in which we have kept some fresh flowers in one pot and colored papered flowers in other pot, and we have placed both the pots in a balcony or in veranda of our house, and observe these 2 pots from there, from distance. And we discussed that the insects get attracted towards the fresh flowers. जो insects हैं वो fresh flowers की तरफ attract होंगे, artificial flowers की तरफ attract बिल्कुल भी नहीं होंगे. So insects like butterflies, honeybees, and bumblebees get attracted towards a fresh flower. Why not towards the paper flower? So we will try to understand the reason behind it. So these insects, while visiting a flower, also helps in pollination. So जब insects flowers के पास आते हैं, why they come near to the flowers? Flowers के पास क्यों आते हैं ये insects like butterfly, honeybee, bumblebee? To suck the nectar from the flower. जो ये insects हैं, ये flower में से जो sweet juice होता है flower का, उसको suck करते हैं because that is their food. उसको suck करने के लिए, उसको खाने के लिए they come near the flowers. So fresh flower में ही वो juice present होगा, that is nectar, and it is not present in the bright flowers, bright colored paper flower. So they will not come near those flowers, और उनको उसकी fragrance से, खुशबू से भी पता चल जाता है which flowers is original, fresh. So these insects flying while visiting a flower also help in pollination. So जब ये flower से nectar collect करते हैं, at the same time वो pollination में भी help करते हैं. Now what is pollination? When insects sit on flower, pollen grains stick to their legs. अब pollen grains you must have observed. आप कोई flower लेते हैं और flower के बीच में सेंटर में अगर आप टच करते हैं इस पोर्शन में, आपके हाथ में एक पाउडरी सब्सटेंस लग जाता है, पाउडर जैसे येलोइश कलर का आपके फिंगर पे लग जाएगा हल्का सा. यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट इज अ पोलन ग्रेन्स. सो व्हेन इंसेक्ट्स सिट ऑन फ्लावर्स, पोलन ग्रेन्स स्टिक टू देयर लेग्स. तो जैसे ही ये बैठते हैं, इनके लेग्स पे भी वो पोलन ग्रेन्स स्टिक हो जाते हैं, चिपक जाते हैं, और विंग्स ऑल्सो, विंग्स पे भी स्टिक हो जाते हैं, and get transferred to another place. और वो pollen grains उस फ्लावर से दूसरे प्लेस में ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं. So This process of shifting of pollen grains from one place to another is called pollination. और जो ये पोलन ग्रेन्स वन प्लेस से अदर प्लेस पे शिफ्ट होते हैं, ट्रांसफर होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड pollination. So you have to learn this, that the process of shifting of pollen grains from one place to another is called pollination. This is the answer of one question also. What is pollination? So you have to answer it, that the process of shifting of pollen grains from one place to another is called pollination. So how they get transfer? They get transfer when it sticks to the legs and wings of the insects. They get transferred from one place to another. Now, do you know insects like bees, ants, and termites live in well-organized colonies? They are called social insects. Social because they live in society. एक साथ वो ग्रुप में रहते हैं. So बहुत well organized उनकी colonies होती है. You must have seen the ants, they work together, एक जगह पर रहती हैं. You must have seen the hives of the bees, जो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है, उसमें भी आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि सारी बीज जो हैं एक साथ रहती हैं. So they live in a well organized colonies. So they are called social insects. We human beings are also social. हम भी सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, एक साथ मिलजुल के रहते हैं. So we are social. So in the same way, these some of these insects are also social. Now, useful insects. So insects are of two types. Some are useful for us and some are harmful for us. हमारे लिए कुछ अच्छे हैं, हमारे beneficial है. So let us discuss about the useful insects one by one. There are some insects which are very useful for us. Let us know about them. तो हम कुछ यूजफुल इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज हनी बी. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सीन द हनी बीज एंड यू ऑल्सो नो why they are useful, because we get honey from honeybees. So honeybees are one of the insects which are very useful for us. They build their hives on trees and roofs of old buildings. So hives means छत्ते. मधुमक्खी का जो छत्ता होता है उसे हम hives बोलते हैं. So they build their hives on trees. You must have seen many hives on the big trees, on the roofs of old buildings. पुराने buildings में जिसमें बहुत कम कोई रहता नहीं है, या वहाँ पर ये old buildings में hives अपने बनाती हैं. Honeybees are usually attracted to sweet smelling flowers, as we have observed in the activity also, discussed in the activity also, that the insects are attracted towards the fresh flowers. और honeybees are usually attracted to sweet smelling flowers. जिसमें से खुशबू आती है उस तरफ को ये honeybees attract होती है. Such flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. So I have already told you that जो sweet liquid flowers में से निकलता है, that is called a nectar. So flower produce a sweet liquid called nectar. जो मीठा liquid होता है flowers के अंदर, that is called nectar. So honeybees suck nectar from flowers and carry it to hive. So honeybees flowers में से nectar collect करती हैं, suck करती हैं and carry it to the hive. अपने छत्ते में, hive में लेकर जाती है, where they live, जहाँ वो रहते हैं. A beehive consists of many six-sided chambers called combs. So what are combs? Beehive consists of many six-sided chambers called combs. Combs जो होते हैं वो six-sided chambers होते हैं. You can see here in the picture, these are the six-sided chambers. You can see here, this is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are six-sided chambers, and these are the called combs. You can see here combs. Six-sided chambers are called combs. So beehive consists of six-sided chambers called combs. Honeybees store the nectar in these combs. तो honeybees नेक्टर को इन कॉम्स के अंदर स्टोर कर लेती है. द नेक्टर चेंजेस इनटू हनी, और वो धीरे धीरे हनी में चेंज हो जाता है. सो हनी इज कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द beehive by lighting a fire under it. How we collect that honey from the beehive? It is not so easy to collect the honey from the beehive. Why? Because you know that honeybees are stinging insects. वो काटते हैं, डंक मारते हैं, जिससे हमको बहुत पेन भी होती है. और honeybees जो एक साथ रहते हैं बहुत सारे, अगर सारे एक साथ हमारे ऊपर हमला कर दें, so it is not so easy. So to collect the honey, so what we have to do, we have to light a fire under it. उसके नीचे हमें आग लगानी होती है हाइव के नीचे. The heat and smoke drives the bees out of the hive. जो हीट होती है फायर की और उससे जो स्मोक निकलता है, उससे बीज दूर चली जाती है हाइव से. The honey collectors then remove the hive. जो हनी कलेक्टर्स है वो हाइव को कट कर लेते हैं, रिमूव कर देते हैं, वहां से हटा देते हैं, एंड कलेक्ट द हनी स्टोर्ड इन इट. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन कलेक्ट द हनी. एंड डू यू नो, a colony of bees in a hive has about 50,000 to 80,000 worker bees. So you can imagine that how many bees live inside the hive. So 50,000 to 80,000 worker bees are there which collect nectar. नेक्टर कलेक्ट करके जो लाती हैं, that are 50,000 to 80,000. Now it also has a few hundred male bees called drones, और few hundreds उसमें मेल बीज होती हैं जिन्हें बोलते हैं ड्रोन्स. एंड देयर इज हाउएवर ओनली वन क्वीन बी इन अ हाइव, और पूरे हाइव में सिर्फ वन क्वीन बी होती है, और हंड्रेड्स उसमें मेल जिनको ड्रोन कहते हैं, और 50,000 to 80,000 वर्कर बीज हाइव में. सो यू कैन इमेजिन दैट हाउ मैनी bees live in that hive. So in next video we will discuss about some other useful insects. Thank you.